Hello everyone, I'm Misha, ready to dive into the world of 3D advertising. Today we will learn how to use PowerPoint 3D models to create a stunning commercial ad video. And to make it fun, we will use a juicy burger or known as burger as our star product. For the first step, let's start by replacing the current slide with a blank one. Right-click on the blank slide and select Format Background. From the available option, I'm choosing Pictures and then select the desired image from my computer. To apply this background to all slides in the video, click the Apply to All button, and you can further customize the background colors, transparency, and other settings using the option on the right side of the screen. Next step is inserting the 3D model. First, click Insert, then 3D model. There is two options there. Then I would like to choose the 3D model from my file. Then I will change the type filter from all 3D models to all file. Then ensure that you have extracted the 3D model from its zips archive before proceeding. Then select the desired GIF file. Now let me share a website I have been using to download 3D models, which is Sketch.fab. Just type Sketch.fab into Google and click the first result. Sketch.fab offers a wide variety of 3D models. To download one, let us use a burger model as an example. Click on the burger model you like, then scroll down and look for the download button. When downloading, choose the GIF format. This format is ideal for use in PowerPoint presentation. The download file will be in a zip format, which means it's compressed. You need to extract the 3D model file from the zip archive before inserting it into PowerPoint. Moving on in this step, by click the rotate symbol, we can adjust the view of 3D model or click the 3D model tab and you can see the option of 3D model view. I want to put this model at this part. Now let's add the animation of it. By the animation option, you can see many animation, but the 3D model is special other than basic animation because there is animation that only used for 3D model. Let us try it one by one, and I would like to choose the arrive animation. At the right side of the animation, you will see the effect option to make your animation better. Then I choosing it. Then make sure click the previous button here. I will explain it later. For this animation, then insert the title of the burger and choose the best size and the best font. Now to enhance the title's appearance, we will use the word art style at this step, as you can see here, to customize its style. First, adjust the outline color and the thickness of it by click the weight button, and you can choose it from here. And I would like to apply the fill of the text, and there is many options. In this video I will choose the gradient fill because it looks more attractive. Next, as you can see from the right side of this, you can adjust the fill of the fill colors and so on. At this part, either you are choosing the other option too. And then I will choose the text effect. There's 6 options of it. You can choose either one. Either you can choose it combination of or the single one. And I will send the title backward because I want it behind the burger. And finally, we animate the title. And then for the second slide, follow this step, which is adjust the viewing angle of the 3D model, just like what we did just now. And then resize the model by either dragging a corner or using the pen and zoom tool to zoom in. And after that, add an animation to the model and select the desired animation object from the available option. Then now let's add the price as the new text, and as before, select a suitable font and size. Then we use the text fill for better readability. Let's use a solid color fill instead of a texture. Next, let's add an outline and adjust the line type using the dash option, as you can see here. And finally, let's enhance the text with a subtle text effect. Next, add another text and apply a shape fill to it. This process is similar to changing the text style, but instead of using the text style tab, we will use the shape style tab on the left side. To add animation to all elements on the slide, start by selecting the first tag and then choosing an animation effect. When you preview the animation, you will notice the text doesn't appear immediately because it's set to trigger on click. To ensure a smooth transition, change the trigger to with previous. This will make the text appear simultaneously with the previous animation or at the start of the slide. By using the animation pane, you will visualize the order of animation. In this case, we want the only text to appear first, followed by the price tag. Now let us use a stock 3D model from the PowerPoint, and then this way you can see the difference between a normal 3D model and the one which have the running symbol which called as a scene. A scene is an added animation to a certain 3D model. And then let us choose the scene one. In the animation pane, you will see a bar. The line on the bar represents the animation repetition. Right click the bar and choose the adjust effect and the timing from the menu. You can adjust the effect and timing from this tool. We will set the repetition to none and shorten the animation duration directly in the pane by just dragging it. The duration value will automatically update, as you can see there. Next, let's add the scene 3 to the slide by click the add animation button on the tab. Just like before, we will adjust the timing on the animation for scene 3. Now let's add text and style it and there's, and we can also animate the text now. For example, we can add the sequence animation to the yummy yummy text, so making the letter appear one by one. And open the animation pane again. As mentioned before, it's better to change the animation to start with previous. This way, animation will play sequentially. You can arrange the animation in the pane by dragging it, as I taught before, and dropping them to any order you want. Finally, to prevent the yummy text from overlapping with the burger text, let's add an exit animation to the text. Next, we will re-add our burger, selecting the view, adding animation, and arranging it in the animation pane until we're satisfied with the preview. Then for the fourth slide, we insert the burger again, and then insert the text box again, and then choose the style of the text and also with the view of the 3D model, and then right click on the text box and then choose send backward, so its position is behind the burger. After that, we are going to add a logo on the burger. Go to insert tab and then choose picture. Select the logo image from any sources, and from this video I'm choosing from my computer, and then just click on the picture format tab, and then you can see it, the remove background tab. You can remove anything that you want from the logo or just remain its state. Similar to the burger, you can customize the style of the logo just like the features on the shape or text style. Now let's add a transition 3D video. Click the transition tab and select the morph transition for this video or anything that you would like, and then apply this transition to all slide by click apply to all button, while the transition offers effect also at the effect option. Let's keep it simple for this video. Next, we will adjust the duration of the transition. In the duration tab, set the transition time to 1 second. The duration is when the transition begin and to the end. And after that, to set the time within the slide, I will adjust to 5 seconds by click the after button and adjust the time accordingly to it. Lastly, to convert the slide into a video, click File, then Export and select a create a video. Choose the HD format for me, and then you can choose any format you want and adjust the timing between the slide as desired, but we have adjusted it before. And then click the create video, save the file, and then you are done with it. That's all from me. Thank you.